में पढ़ी सारे तुम मैंने कहीं प्रैक्टिस करन केमिकल हम प्रैक्टिस कर मु तो सेमती सारीदेवी मु रही तुम प्रैक्टिस न कर केमती कौन हम सो प्रैक्टिस कर so to practice always okay so we will go to our next point uh, that is one of the important algorithm support vector machine support vector machine that is also short form is SVM. So in your last class we had discussed about the concept of logistic regression, one of the classification algorithm. So here another classification algorithm that is support vector machine, and we will discuss about this concept. So first of all, some little bit theory we have to know what is a support vector and how the support vector machine will resolve our task and what is the little bit mechanism behind this concept that we have to know. So if we'll go through Google support vector machine in machine learning, so some figure that we will show you. This is one figure. So first of all, we have to know what is support vector machine. So what is the purpose or what is the objective? One of the important classification algorithm coming under supervised machine learning. The main objective is to create a hyperplane. And what is hyperplane? That hyperplane classifying two groups of data items separately. Suppose, just to see, you consider this figure. So this is a 2D plot. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now some red color data item and here some green color data item. And in the middle, one hyperplane. This line is called as hyperplane. One hyperplane we are creating through that hyperplane. Green color data items, red color data items classified. So what is the mechanism? Mechanism is so one thing I can do that. So this is black color data item. Suppose some points. This is straight line actually, and Okay, so here some black color data item and some red color data item and one line classifying. So what the support vector machine will do, support vector machine, suppose this line is this line. So in middle, whatever I drawn, this line, what the support vector machine will do, support vector machine will create two, again two hyperplane here. That means there are three hyperplanes. Three hyperplanes easily classifying two varieties of data items. But in the middle, there is 1 minute. ଭାଇ ଟିକେ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଅଛି କ୍ଲାସ ଚାଲିଛି ବାରଟାରେ କଲ୍ କରିବି କ୍ଲାସରେ ଅଛି ଟିକେ 12টাରେ କଲ୍ କରୁଛି so this line first we had created, but when you were implementing the concept of support vector machine, what the support vector machine will do, support vector machine again creating two hyperplane, and these two hyperplane is to see internally when it is creating, so it is touching with some nearest data points. These are the nearest data points. These are the. So this hyperplane is passing, and when at the time of passing, it is touching some nearest data points. First of all, give a response. Till now, I hope everybody got clarity.
Yes,
So
sir.
now this is called a hyperplane. So first of all, some terminologies with which point that we have to know first what is support vector, then hyperplanes, then what is marginal distance, then linear separable, and another is non-linear separable. Suppose me the phone out here. So support vector and one is hyperplane and one is marginal distance and one is linear separable and one is non-linear separable. These are the basic terminologies first of all we have to know. So first of all, these are the hyperplane. Okay. Now the hyperplane when it is passing and it is touching with the nearest data points, then the distance between here the nearest data point to this, and this is the nearest data point, maybe data point, nearest data point, maybe multiple, and these to this distance between this to this is called as marginal distance. This is called as marginal distance. Then the nearest data point through which internally support vector machine is creating and through which the hyperplane is passing, so that nearest data point is called as support vector, called as support vector. So that nearest data point may be one or maybe multiple. So this is the nearest data point. This is the nearest data point. So this is support vector. And we can say it is a linear separable. So there is no problem. Happily, two group of data items separating, classifying. If the classification is done without any problem, so that is called as linear separable. Okay, so two group of data items. First of all, in the middle, we created a hyperplane. But what the support vector machine will do, support vector machine will create a hyperplane in such a way that at least some data point will touch, or through some nearest data point, support vector machine will create another two hyperplane. This is one hyperplane and this is another hyperplane. And the distance between nearest data point to hyperplane, so this is called as what? Marginal distance. And easily without any problem, and it is linearly classifying, hence we can say it is a linear separable. I hope everybody got clarity.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, ask.
Sir, once again, that linear separation.
Without any problem. Happily, this data point any uh, red color data item ଏପଟ କିଛି ଅଛି କି black color data item ଏପଟ କିଛି ଅଛି କି ତ easily classifying without any problem through the hyperplane. Whatever the SVM will create the hyperplane, that means the plane what is passing what through the nearest data point. Two groups of two types of data items classify. That is called as a linear separation.
Okay, sir.
Your non-linear separable, there is another concept also available. Just to see, this is the one A is a hyperplane, B is a hyperplane, C is a hyperplane, but B is the optimal suitable hyperplane. In this case, so there are which what I was A is hyperplane, A is separating, C is the hyperplane, C is separating, B is the hyperplane, B is separating. But in the middle, suppose C is when a support vector machine will create this hyperplane. This is the nearest data point, this is the nearest data point. The distance between nearest data point to this plane, this nearest data point, this plane, this is called the marginal distance. Already this is written, we have the three hyperplanes and all are segregating the class as well. Maximizing the distances between nearest data point and hyperplane will help us to decide the right hyperplane. This distance is called as margin. Same concept. Currently, whatever I was saying. Just to see this part. Suppose this is a one scenario. So how particularly here this is a red color data item and so outside, so there is a star color data item, there is a circle data item and there is a star data item. So how we will classify, how it will be separable. So now it is not possible through linear separable we can classify circle data item and star data item. How it will be possible, then it is non-linear separable concept. Then how it will be separable? So sometimes what is happening, what suppose, let it suppose for better clarity, so suppose in this way, suppose some data item. So how we will separate, how we will classify these two types of data items. So it is not possible that we can create a hyperplane. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So if this type of data item is given in this way, then it is not possible that using linear separable that we can classify two types of data items. Because here the accuracy, if I will create an in this way hyperplane, it is not accuracy is definitely it will be less than 50%. So it is that means perfectly it will not classify. So at that time, so it is what it is happening internally. What SVM will do? SVM will convert this is a two-dimensional. So into two-dimensional into three-dimensional plots in this way. And internally, a terminology is doing to converting low dimension into high dimension. Low dimension into high dimension. Internally, there is a terminology SVM kernel. So particularly, this is a case of non-linear separable, and through this case, so what the SVM will do, SVM, there is a terminology SVM kernel, it is a part of SVM. So what the SVM kernel will do, convert into 2D into three-dimensional. This is a three-dimensional plot, and what is happening? So first, then the red color data item, then black color data item. If the it will convert 2D into 3D, so internally kernel will do these things. So it is called as a non-linear separable. That means when we are classifying two groups of data items, some conversion, some operation that we are performing, so that's why we can say it is a non-linear separable. So what is a support vector? Now, first of all, we should get the clarity. The nearest data point that is called a support vector. Nearest data point may be one or maybe multiple. That is called a support vector. And through the nearest data point internally, SVM is creating hyperplane. And through the hyperplane, two groups of data items are classified. Hence, the concept is coming and the terminology named as support vector. Clear? Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will go to the Jupyter notebook and we will see an example iris flower classification. So so already regarding iris flower data set that we have little bit idea because already in pandas or in matplotlib in seaborn some little bit discussion that I have done. So iris flower data set nowadays it is available in GitHub or Kaggle, but it is also available sklearn library. So from sklearn library we will load iris data sets, and there is a function load underscore iris that I have to import. Just to see what I have written, import pandas as PD. Then from sklearn.datasets in our sklearn library, we have a folder or we have a sub module. The folder name is or sub module name is the data sets. So in data sets folder contains lots of data sets, and all the data sets are available in sklearn library. So iris data set is one of the data set available in sklearn. So how I will bring iris flower data set to into my Jupyter notebook? So load underscore iris. There is a function load underscore iris. So I import it. When this function is invoking, suppose let it I have an output variable. Suppose the variable name is iris. So instead of iris, you can write Ramadhan Sama whatever you like. So when load underscore iris function, when we are invoking and it is returning something and whatever, returning something, that something I assigned in a variable, let my variable name is iris and that iris contain all the data. Okay, whatever the iris, we will see what are the features, what are the column names. So inside the iris, now load underscore iris function, when it is invoking, it is returning something and that something assigned in a variable, let my variable name is iris. So we will see what the iris variable containing, that we will see, and what are the columns, what are the feature names, we will discuss one by one. Now I will hit. Okay, so there is no error. Then I want to know inside the iris, so what are the columns, that is called basically column name is called as features. So what are the features available inside the iris and how I will know? So there is a dir function. Within dir function I wrote iris. Now I will hit run. Just to see, we got these columns. DESCR data is a column name, feature underscore names is a column name, file name, frame, target names. So among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 column names, which column? So that is our requirement that we will discuss one by one. So first of all, data is a one of the column name and we can say it is a feature of iris. So we will see what is uh, what the value, or what is the value of data, or what data is containing. Just we will mining, we will see, ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା data column ଭିତରେ କଣ ଅଛି. So now I can write iris dot data. Now I will hit. So I got this output. Output is a two-dimensional array. So in this way I got lots of values. But in this array, so a record row is nothing but a four columns. Just to see what I observed. One, then two, then three, four. Guys, 1 minute. ହଁ କୃଷ୍ଣ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଅଛି ଟିକେ କହିଦେସି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଟିକେ ଅଛି ହଁ ହଁ କେତେବେଳେ ଲାଇଭ ମାନେ କୋଉ ଡିସ୍କସନ ହଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଁ ସେପଟରେ କହିବି ଆଉ ବସିବି ଆଉ କେତେଟା ବେଳେ ହଉ ହଉ କିନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଟିକେ ମତେ କହିବୁ ଯୋଉ କଣ ଯୋଉ ଜଳସେଚନ ପ୍ରକଳ୍ପଟା ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି କେତେ ସେଟା କୋଉ ମାନେ ଲାଭ ପାଇବେ ତାପଟେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ମତେ ସେ ଖାଲି କହିଦିଏ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଖାଲି ଡିଟେଲ୍ସଟା ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ବାହାର କରିଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିକି କହିବି ଆଉ ହଉ ଟାଇମିଂରେ ଟିକେ କହିବି କେତେବେଳେ କହିବି ହୁଁ ହଉ so just to see what we are observing, and there are four values: 5.1, 3.5, 1.4, 0.2, 4.9. So four values. So ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଏଇ ଚାରିଟା value କାହାର data କୁ ଆମେ ଟିକେ mining କଲୁ. Data is a column name of iris. So data column ଭିତରେ କଣ ଅଛି ନା data column ଭିତରେ ଚାରିଟା ଲେଖା value ଅଛି. A two-dimensional array it is returning, but pratyek record array, a two-dimensional array means it is a matrix. That means it is nothing, it is a form of row and column, but pratyek row re ଚାରିଟି ଲେଖା value ଅଛି, ଚାରୋଟି ଲେଖା. Okay, so ଦେଖିବା ଆଗକୁ ଦେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ କାହାର value ଏ ଚାରିଟାର ଆମେ we will see and we will discuss. So till now I hope everybody got clarity, give a response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so data ଗୋଟେ column ଗଲା, ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା next column feature underscore names. So feature underscore names ରେ କଣ କଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖିବା. feature underscore names होची आउ गोटे column name तो आमे लिखिबा iris dot feature underscore names ता धरे देखिया कोन कोन अछि लिखिले iris dot feature underscore names now I will hit just to see आमे चारिटा value पाइले कोन पाइले ना sepal width petal length petal width तो feature underscore names रे हमें चारिटा वैल्यू पाइले सेपाल width petal width and तार जो वैल्यू थिबो सेटा इन सेंटीमीटर within bracket I have it all माने it have written centimeter so iris dot feature underscore names so what we got so 4 points that we got sepal width petal length and petal width तो मुझे थोड़े चारोटी जिनस पाइली कोटू ना फीचर अंडरस्कोर नेम्स रो तो मु टिके माइंड रे डिसाइड करले जदि मु चारोटी जिनस को नै कि सेपल विड्थ पेटल विड्थ चारोटी कॉलम अछि इथे चारोटी वैल्यू अछि चारटा रेकर्ड अछि जदि मु से चारिटी कॉलम रे एई वैल्यू को पके देबी ताल एटा हेला सेपल लेंथ रो वैल्यू सेपल विड्थ रो वैल्यू पेटल लेंथ रो वैल्यू एटा पेटल विड्थ रो वैल्यू एटा सेभरी डेवलप हैछि so now by taking iris dot data output by taking iris dot feature names output now I will create a data frame let my data frame name is df just to see next point what I have done create a data frame by taking values of feature names data frame df and already we know that how to create a data frame it is a concept of pandas so pd dot data frame function so within bracket I have written by taking the iris dot data output by taking the columns equals to iris dot feature names columns equals to iris dot feature names means the output of iris dot feature names will be the column number of column so what is the output of iris dot feature underscore name sepal length sepal width petal length petal width clear concept is clear now what is the value of a df what is the value of a df now I will hit run so see so there are a data this df there are 150 number of records 150 rows into 4 columns sepal length sepal width petal length petal width तो sepal length sepal width petal length चारोटी कॉलम रे डाटा क्या होइला ना iris dot data आउटपुट till now I hope everybody got clarity बहुत important algorithm
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो iris dot feature names ର आउटपुट को नै करी iris dot data ର आउटपुट को नै करी मु गोटे डाटा फ्रेम तयारी कली डाटा फ्रेम क्रिएट कली let my data frame name is dh and iris dot feature names ର आउटपुट ला column number of columns sepal length sepal width petal length and petal width and तार रे डाटा हम दबा वैल्यू दबा कार वैल्यू ना iris dot data ର आउटपुट दे so now I sepal length value is this sepal width value is this petal length value is this petal width value is this चल तापर नेक्स्ट फीचर देखिबा गोटे फीचर टारगेट व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ टारगेट हमहु दरकार डाटा फीचर नेम्स फाइल नेम इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फ्रेम इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन आवर context target then target names now what is the output of target so I will write iris dot target so what is the output of target underscore names for that I will write iris dot target names so you will say what is the output of target so for that I will write iris dot target is the save means 150 rows and 4 number of columns iris dot target iris dot so now I will hit run so I got 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 so what we are observing from the output of iris dot target what we are observing the classification here multiple classification so either some flowers are 0 some flowers are 1 and some flowers are 2 it is a classification there are 150 number of records first 50 representing 0 or 1 or 2 second 50 representing maybe 0 maybe 1 maybe 2 we will see and third 50 representing 0 or 1 or 2 so basically first 50 representing 0 second 50 number of records or that is representing 1 and it's last 50 representing 2 so we will see in later on 0 means setosa 1 means versicolor, and 2 means virginica. This is the classification. So either 0 or 1 or 2. So 4 value we will provide: sepal length value, sepal width value, petal length value, and petal width value. Then we will classify. So whether it is 0 or whether it is 1 or whether it is 2. 0 means setosa, whether it is setosa, or it is 1 means whether it is versicolor, and whether it is virginica. So this is the output of iris dot target. Just to see. So when I observed, this is the output of iris dot target, only 0 or 1 or 2. Then what I thought, so I will add a new column in my data frame. So in my data frame, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Now I will add a new column target. That target column value will be this. So that I will do explicitly. So now I have to add a new column, df of target. Df is my data frame. So within square bracket, I specified my new column name target equals to iris dot target. So what is the output of iris dot target? This is the output of iris dot target. So now that means what? When it will execute. So when it will execute, so our data frame df, that data frame containing 4 columns: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Then after that, a new column it will add. The new column will be target column, and the target column value will be so iris target output. So see now what is below def. Now I will hit now. So see sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, new column added. So when new column added, automatically हमें खाली iris dot target लिखलु. That means iris dot target रो output value target बोली गोटे column अच्छे. से column टाको हमें newly add कले हम data frame रे. So iris dot target रो output टा target column रे insert है. The insert that you see first 050 प्रथम 50 टा 0 तापर 50 टा 1 तापर 50 टा 2 मतलब 4 टा column जाए 5 टी column ହେଇଗଲା. Now what is the value of df? So I got this out. Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now हमें कौन करिबा ना ये 0 को गोटे कॉलम ऐड करिबा जे सी ऑटोमेटिकली जेंदी 50 टा 0 खाली सेटो साइ होतिबो आउ 50 टा 1 रिप्रेजेंट करते वर्सिकलर आउ 50 टा 2 रिप्रेजेंट करिवो virginica. देखिबा ता पर पिक्चर देखिबा कोन छी देखो ता पर पिक्चर टा target underscore names. So what is the output of iris dot target underscore names? What is the output of iris dot target underscore names? Just to see, then after that, iris dot target underscore names, I will return just to see setosa versicolor virginica. So target underscore names, another feature, last feature of iris. So we checked what is the output of iris dot target underscore names. So I got this output iris dot target underscore names. Well, setosa and versicolor and virginica. So now ମୁଁ plan କଲି जो data frame ରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୋର 5ଟା column ଅଛି. sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. तापर टारगेट गोटे कलम अछि 5टी कलम. नाउ आउ गोटे कलम ऐड कर देबी तार ना दे देबी फ्लावर नेम्स. हैला मु आउ गोटे कलम ऐड कर देखिबी फ्लावर नेम्स रे कोन करबी ना ए आउटपुट iris डॉट टारगेट नेम्स रे आउटपुट रे वैल्यू पुट करबी. देखिए से का सीधा कोन पड़ियो देखिबा. तो बर्तन मु कोन कली ना गोटे फ्लावर नेम्स बोली रे न्यू कलम नै गेली. तले अप्लाई करबी बर्तन जो 150 रेकॉर्ड अछि 0 रे 150 रेकॉर्ड रे मु कोन अप्लाई करबी ना iris डॉट टारगेट नेम्स रे आउटपुट वैल्यू. तो आर आउटपुट वैल्यू तीनोटी पॉइंट. One is setosa, this is a value. Versicolor, it is a string value. Virginica, it is a string. So now this three value I will apply. How ऊपर apply करबी ना target column ऊपर apply करबी. ना target column ऊपर apply कले तो मु जानि परबी जे 0 सीधे को फ्लावर ना लिखा होची, 1 सीधे को फ्लावर ना लिखा होची और 2 सीधे को फ्लावर ना लिखा होची. Everybody got clarity? First till now, give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ସମସ୍ତେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ବାସ୍ ବହୁତ ଭଲସେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡଫୁଲି ବୁଝିବ। ତାହେଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ କଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଲମ ଆଡ କଲେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 4ଟା କଲମ ଥିଲା, ତାପରେ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ କଲମ ଆଡ କରିଥିଲି, 5ଟା କଲମ ହେଇଥିଲା। ନା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଲମ ଆଡ କରିବି, I will add another new column. That column name is flower names. So that's why I wrote how I will add a new column, df of flower names. So what I have done, I will apply. So that is apply function. कहाँ ऊपर apply करूँ? Target ऊपर apply करूँ. So how I will specify the target column? df dot target, because data frame name is df. So target is my column name. So how I will access target column? That is df dot target, and apply करेंगे. And for that there is a function, apply function. That's why I have written df dot target dot apply. So within bracket ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ lambda expression କରିଛି। ତମେ ଟିକେ lambda expression in Python programming, Python ର function ମୁଁ ପଢେଇଥିଲି lambda expression. Lambda is a anonymous function. Lambda expression when arguments. So ମୁଁ କଣ ଲେଖିଛି ନା iris dot target names of x. So x ହବ କଣ ନା setosa, x ହବ କଣ, and target names output ଅଛି setosa, versicolor, virginica. ତ x ହବ setosa, x ହବ versicolor, x ହବ virginica. ଓକେ, ତ ଟିକେ lambda ର ଟିକେ concept mind କି ଆଣିବ, ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦବ। Python function ରେ ପଢା ହେଇଛି lambda then expression colon arguments ପଢା ହେଇଛି। expression ଗୋଟିଏ, arguments may be 1 or may be 2। ଏଠି x ର value ଏଟାକୁ କହନ୍ତି function object ନାଇଁ। ତ anonymous function without name, that is called as anonymous function। ତ ଏଇ value ଟା apply ହେଇଯିବ କୋଉଥିରେ ନା flower underscore names ରେ। target ରେ apply ହବ କାହାର ଡାଟା ନା flower underscore name, sorry, target ରେ apply ହବ କାହାର ଡାଟା ନା iris dot target names ର output। So here x is setosa, x is versicolor, and x is virgin. So what is the value of df? Now I will hit run just to see. So another column added flower names. See there automatically 50 ଟା 0 setosa, 50 ଟା 1 versicolor, 50 ଟା 2 virgin। सी तरह ऑटोमेटिकली अप्लाई कला पर आमे एडी कहा सहित काउ जोड़ेनी, आमे डायरेक्ट iris dot target underscore names रो आउटपुट को आमे अप्लाई करछु टारगेट ऊपर। आमे जरे अप्लाई करलो टारगेट रो वैल्यू अछि 50 टा 0, 50 टा 1, 50 टा 2। आमे जरे अप्लाई करलो टारगेट अंडरस्कोर नेम्स रो आउटपुट को, तो सी तरह ऑटोमेटिकली सेटोसा वर्सिकुलर भेजिला नै। माने प्रथम 50 टा फर्स्ट 50 सेटोसा, ता माने जहारो सेपल लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यू 8, सेपल विड्थ ऑफ वैल्यू 8, पेटल लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यू 1.4, पेटल विड्थ ऑफ वैल्यू 0.2, तले सी फुल होला सेटोसा। जहारो सेपल लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यू 6.7, सेपल विड्थ ऑफ वैल्यू 3.0, पेटल लेंथ ऑफ वैल्यू 5.2, पेटल विड्थ ऑफ वैल्यू 2.3, सी फुल होला वर्जिनिका। এটা অলরেডি সেই হিসাবে ডেভেলপ হয়েছে, আমি এটাকে অ্যানালিসিস করলে এটা কোন EDA, exploratory data analysis, or this is a part of data pre-processing before creating a model. Whatever we are doing, that is data pre-processing, and এটা কোন exploratory data analysis, EDA। now মোর 6টা কলম হয়ে গেল, sepal length, sepal width, petal width, target and flower names। মানে ଏତିକି ଯୋଉ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଥିବ ସେଟା 0 ମାନେ ସେଟୋସା, ଏତିକି ଯୋଉ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଥିବ ସେଟା 1 ମାନେ versicolor, ଏତିକି ଯୋଉ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଥିବ 2 ମାନେ virginica। এটা ବହୁତ ବଡ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଇଛି, ଡଟ ଡଟ ମାନେ ଏଠି ଅଛି ସବୁ। give response।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
algorithm ତ ଓକେ। ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏତିକି ସରିତା, ତାପରେ ପ୍ଲଟିଂ ଦେଖିଏ ସେଟା ତ ବଟ ଏଇ ଯେ ହଉଛି ପାଠ। ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲେ ପ୍ରଥମ 50 ଟା ସେଟୋସା, ପ୍ରଥମ 50 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ 50 ଟା ମାନେ versicolor, ଥାର୍ଡ 50 ଟା virginica। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ମଡେଲ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରି ଦେଖିବା। मॉडल को हमें दबा, हमें एसवीएम रो गोटे मॉडल तयारी करबा। मॉडल को एटा दबा 5.1, 3.5, 1.4, 0.2। मॉडल को ये चारटा वैल्यू दबा, ये चारटा वैल्यू मॉडल कहबो सेटोसा कि नहीं। जदि मॉडल कहदो सेटोसा ताले ओके ठीक अछि, ताले एक्यूरेसी इज परफेक्ट। जदि गोटे मॉडल को दबा 6.7 3.0 5.2 2.3 जदि मॉडल को हम एति चारटा वैल्यू दबा एंड मॉडल विल प्रेडिक्ट हो जे एटा वर्जिनिका तो इट्स ओके एंड हम देखिले बे एनालिसिस कर देखिले 50 टा 0 ला सेटोसा 50 टा 1 ला वर्सिकुलर 50 टा 2 ला वर्जिनिका बर्तमान मॉडल क्रिएट कर दी मॉडल को ए वैल्यू दे यदि मॉडल कहला जे इट इज वर्जिनिका ताहाले एक्यूरेसी आस दिस इज आवर पर्पस तो आपको नहीं बर्तमान मैटप्लॉटलिब किसी प्लॉट करा है एटा किसी एटा ऑप्शनल जिंसो मैटप्लॉटलिब रिपोर्ट करछि df dot target is equal to 0 0 1 2 को नहीं को तीनटा डाटा फ्रेम करछि df 0 df 1 df2 सो एटा किछि नाही आपण एटा खाली एडिशनल जो करछि सो एटा को हम क्लैरिटी होआ पई df0 हम क्लैरिटी होआ पई यदि मैं हेड काट देबी व्हाट द वैल्यू df0 तो देखबे 50 टा रेकॉर्ड पूरा 50 टा रेकॉर्ड एटा 50 टा रेकॉर्ड तो सब सेट सब राइट हम तुम क्लैरिटी करे पई देखो 50 सब सेट एटा टे बड़ देखाउ से तुम हेड फंक्शन टा कॉल कर से df1 देखियो सब वर्सिकुलर 50,000 वर्सिकुलर से df2 को देखियो 50,000 वर्जिनिका माने 100 रु स्टार्ट होछि ना क्लियर सो हमें क्लियर हेगलो df0 माने जो हम कहली 50 टा सेटोसा 50 टा वर्सिकुलर 50 टा वर्जिनिका तो टारगेट इज इक्वल 0 को लेके डाटा फ्रेम पर df0 टारगेट इज इक्वल 1 को लेके डाटा फ्रेम पर df1 टारगेट इज इक्वल 2 को लेके डाटा फ्रेम df2 हमें क्लियर हेगलो जे फर्स्ट 50 टा सेटोसा फर्स्ट सेकंड 50 टा हला वर्सिकुलर बा 1 सेकंड लास्ट 50 टा वर्जिनिका बर तो आपको नेकरी मु कोन करछ ना फर्स्ट x लेवल x एक्सिस इंफॉर्मेशन y लेवल y एक्सिस इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑल यू हैव नोन सेपल लेंथ सेपल विड्थ स्कैटर plot create करछि plt.scatter already we have known how to create a scatter plot so within bracket I have written df0 of sepal length sepal width color is equal to green marker 0 plus df1 of sepal length sepal width first 0 means setosa 1 means versicolor तो तार सेटोसार सेपाल लेंथ और सेपाल विड्थ पेट आ वर्सिकलर पेटाल लेंथ सेपाल लेंथ और सेपाल विड्थ मुळे स्कैटर प्लॉट क्रिएट करछि दिस इज ऑप्शनल फॉर बेटर क्लैरिटी देखो ये गोटे रहला पॉइंट ये गोटे पॉइंट मार्कर इज इक्वल टू कलर इज इक्वल टू ग्रीन मार्कर इज प्लस ये ग्रीन कलर दिस इज ब्लू कलर तो ग्रीन कलर मींस व्हाट df0 that means setosa blue color means df1 that is versicolor okay so for better clarity हम एटे दी प्रकार एठी बिरसेन करिछु प्लॉट दिटा करिछु एटा प्लॉट हेछि एटा गोटे प्लॉट हेछि सेपल विड्थ नै प्लॉट हेछि एटा पेटल लेंथ पेटल विड्थ नै प्लॉट हेछि एटा फर्स्ट प्लॉट स्कैटर प्लॉट करा हेछि तापर एटा सेकंड फर्स्ट df0 सेपल लेंथ सेपल विड्थ नै प्लॉट हेछि एठी पेटल लेंथ पेटल विड्थ नै प्लॉट हेछि जेहेतु मोर चारिटा पैरामीटर सेपल लेंथ सेपल विड्थ पेटल विड्थ तो सेपल लेंथ सेपल विड्थ की नेगी प्लॉट करली पेटल लेंथ पेटल विड्थ प्लॉट करली बट मु देखली क्लासिफिकेशन होच कि नहीं यस क्लासिफिकेशन होच एटा ग्रीन कलर डाटा बट ब्लू कलर डाटा आइटम इट इज क्लियरली क्लासिफाइड फोन नंबर है थैंक यू मोर बैंक कहिला कि गाइस 1 मिनिट कोन करे प्रोब्लेम मो तो हम मु पिक्चर गोटे चेक आले भी आसला किछ तो प्रॉब्लम है प्रॉब्लम कोन हो भूल बता बोझू एठी एचडीएफसी बैंक कोन मराई जी व्हाट इज प्रॉब्लम कोन होई चेक तो मैंने फेरी आसला से कहली जे हम ठीक कोन चेक बाउंस तो होइनी हां सर क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्या कि हमारा जो कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो ओके ओके then so one thing that I am doing so yesterday कुछ था तो 14 था जो हमारा जो सोफे वाला जो प्राइस थे वो प्लस 700 हाँ 500 16,500 that I will give like yes I will give but okay so I am trying today evening that I will try to give But actually from our side we have no problem. From your side maybe some problem may arise. Okay, ठीक है. First of all, I will check the my accounts and I'm trying that today evening that I will. Okay. Summer program is summer program. What is the problem? ମୋର salary ତାଙ୍କର ତମର ଆମର କିଛି problem ନାହିଁ ଆମର HDFC ରେ problem ହେଇଛି bank ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଇକି କରିବି ଆଉ 16,500 ନାଇଁ କି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ କିଛି ଚେକ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲା କି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଚେକ୍ ଲାଗିଥିଲା କି ନା ଆଉ ସେଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନାଇଁ କି ତାହେଲେ ଆଁ ସେଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଚେକ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା 5,000 ବୋଧେ 5,000 Okay, so this is the plot, guys. So overall, we got clarity now. ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା ନା ମଡେଲ କୁ ଯିବା ଆଚ୍ଛା ମଡେଲ କୁ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା ନା ଏ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କଲମ ଆଉ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ନେମ୍ କାଟିଦେବା କାହିଁକିନା ଆମର ଇନପୁଟ ହବ ସେପାଲ ଲେନ୍ ସେପାଲ ପେଟାଲ ଲେନ୍ ପେଟାଲ ୱିଡଥ ମଡେଲ ଆମକୁ କଣ ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ଟ କରୁଛି 0 କି 1 କି 2 ଠିକ ଅଛି ମଡେଲ ଆମକୁ କଣ ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ଟ କରିବ ଆମେ ଏଟା ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ଯୋଉଟା କୁହନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କହିଲି କି ଡିଏ କହିଲି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲୋରେଟରୀ ଡାଟା ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ତ ମଡେଲ କୁ ଯିବା we will create SVM model and what the model will predict and we will give the input input is my sepal length value sepal width value petal length value petal width value तो मॉडल को दबा तो हमें कौन करना टारगेट और फ्लावर नेम से काट दबा काटले कर हमारे चारटा रहला हमारा इनपुट to see so x टा को हमें बोलो x what is x মানে independent variable target of flower names काट लो interview question how to drop a column one column or more than one column from a data frame. Df dot drop function, target column and a flower names column. Which column that you want to drop, that column names just I specified, comma, and this is mandatory arguments. Axis equals to column. So what is the x? So बहुत बड़ा देखा चाहिए बोले मैं head function call कर दीजिए. Particular column, so it is x. So target column को और flower underscore names को column को काटी देला परे drop करछि but df रे सेटा अछि but ताको काटी सला परे जहा रहिला सेटा हमर x input variable because मु analysis करूछि जे मु मॉडल को कोन इनपुट देबी चारटा वैल्यू देबी सेपल लेंथ वैल्यू सेपल विड्थ वैल्यू पेटल लेंथ वैल्यू पेटल विड्थ वैल्यू क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर तमे
Yes.
एमिति कर सेवा कर परियो df of dot ilog जोटा कि मु काली देखौतली df dot ilog এটা 0th column index 1 column index 2 column index 3 column index 4 column 5 column एमिति थिला 6टा column थिला तो 6टा column हमको एई जेटा दरकार 0 1 2 3 तो विभिन्न varieties रो वे रे तमे टिके acquainted हेले expertise will come तो दीटा column काटी देली जहा बोला सेटा x independent variable similarly y है df dot target df अच्छी df dot target है जो 0 1 और 2 सेटा और y पहला तो ये पार्ट तुम जानी छो कल मैं कही तो होल डेटा फ्रेम और डेटा फ्रेम नेम df सो माय डेटा फ्रेम रे जति सो डेटा रहले तो ट्रेनिंग डेटा सो आमे ताको स्प्लिट करबा स्प्लिट आवर होल डेटा फ्रेम split our data frame into training and testing data so what we will do so this part में जानिए from scalar and for that we have to import train test split module and inside the train test split module there is a function train test split function when train underscore test underscore split function we are invoking it is returning for numpy array x train x test y train y test it it is a such function taking three mandatory argument. One is x, one is y, and one is testing size. Eli जोटा कहूली भात बसैलो होल भात हला ट्रेनिंग डेटा ताथरो जो पांचटी भात को चिपी देखो भात हैला कि नहीं से दैट पांचटी भात हला टेस्टिंग डेटा. So here my test is 20%. Now I will hit. पहला तो what is the value of x test? This data. So हमें r ऊपर मॉडल प्रेडिक्शन करो r ऊपर x test. तो मैं बर्तन a value देबी 1 2 3 4. This is suppose sorry this is the index. This value sepal length value sepal width value petal length value. Now each चारटा value मैं मॉडल को देबी. So model predict करिवो whether it will be 0 or whether it will be 1 or whether it will be 2. So x test गला पर हम देखि से जे तापर हम y test देखि दबो. So what is the value of y test? Print y underscore test. हम पहले एते 20. हमने 115 नंबर इंडेक्स 2. तमने 6.4 3.2 5.3 2.3 चारिटा इनपुट देले हमर एटा अग्रु भाजी 2 2 माने virginica 0 means setosa 1 means versicolor 2 means virginica मॉडल कोन दोछ मॉडल को हम चारटा भेल दबा मॉडल को 2 दोछ कि नहीं 2 माने virginica. So give a response till now. I hope everybody understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now model create करिबा. So model होची एठी क्लास मन रखो SVC from sklearn.svm import SVC support vector classifier. So SVC is a built-in class name. हमें linear regression गोटे class name थिला तार ऑब्जेक्ट में रिप्रेजेंट कोला तार मॉडल लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन गोटे बिल्ट इन क्लास रना थिला से असला फ्रॉम sklearn.linear_model मॉडल से भी गोटे तार ऑब्जेक्ट में तार ऑब्जेक्ट तार मॉडल रिप्रेजेंट करथला. Similarly for support vector machine model so there is a built-in class SVC. So that SVC class we are importing or that class is coming from sklearn.svm. So that's why I wrote from sklearn.svm import SVC. Then object name equals to class name parenthesis. That means I declared an object of support vector classifier. Now I will hit. Now model created, then model को train करिवो काली कहथली fit function भितरे तुमने हुंडा मेथड मन रखिवो fit function रे पास हो x train y train predict रे करिवो x test का model x test data में predict करिवो accuracy रे पास हो y test y prediction. So now model train हे गला तापरे model prediction कला obj.predict test data को नेकरी let prediction value store हैला y prediction रे output रे देखो first आछि 2 देखो first आई 2 y test रो first कोन आछि तापरे कोन आछि एटा होछि प्रेडिक्टेड ए जो आउटपुट आसिला मॉडल देछि एसबीआई मॉडल देला एटा होछि प्रेडिक्टेड वैल्यू बट एटा हमें अग्रो एटा देछि एनालिसिस कर पाइते. तो देखो सेकंड होछि 2 देखो सेकंड इज 2 तापरे भी अछि 2 तापरे अछि 2 तापरे अछि 1 तापरे अछि 1 तो माने 80 नंबर इंडेक्स 80 नंबर इंडेक्स में दिस वैल्यू this value this value this value this character value will input so output is 1 1 means which flower versicolor 0 means setosa 1 means versicolor 2 means virginica. So we will find the accuracy. So jahata della ami accuracy paiba accuracy score board function kali mu कहथली y test y prediction I will hit. So I got 1.0 that means 100% accuracy. So हमें एनालिसिस करथिलु जो इनपुट चारटा वैल्यू को लेकर सेपल विड्थ पेटल विड्थ वैल्यू को लेकर एंड व्हाटएवर वी गॉट द वैल्यू either flower is setosa or versicolor or virginica so model predicted same. So now the accuracy is 100%. This is called as classification. We classified by taking 4 input values we classified whether it is 0 or 1 or 2 0 means setosa 1 means versicolor and 2 means virginica. This is all about today's session. Support vector machine completed. one of the important algorithm ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ ଯେ ଆମେ ପଢିବା iris classify କରିବା so whether it is heterosis or versicolor organism. Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subhasmita, Subhasmita, ये डाकुज देखिलो. So ये डाकुज ना देखिलो. So I hope everybody got clarity. Response दे दो, give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about today's session. So Rohili, thank you to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.